everyone, welcome back to another video. So are you looking for a feature-packed project management tool? Today we are reviewing ClickUp. It is the ultimate all-in-one solution for your workflow. So let's get right into it. ClickUp basically offers tons of features, but that can make it overwhelming at first. The interface is highly customizable, but if you're new to project management tools, there might be a learning curve. If you talk about customization and designs, ClickUp shines with custom views, task automation, and integration with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom. You can manage projects using list boards, Gantt charts, and even mind maps, a level of flexibility which is most competitors doesn't even offer. So ClickUp basically supports team collaboration, goal tracking, and time management, making it great for remote teams, growing businesses, but but if you need simple task tracking, it might feel like an overkill. If you talk about pricing, basically ClickUp has a free forever plan, which means they can get all the generous features, while the paid plan starts at around $7 and $7 per month. The business is for $12 and you can go so on and so forth. And these plans offers various different features. You can look up to them. And in the end, if you'll ask my final verdict, I'll say ClickUp is one of the most powerful project management tool out there. If you love customization and automation, it's perfect. But if you want simplicity, Trello or Asana might be a better option. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.